Welcome, in front of me is ACER Nitro 5, and in this video I will show you how to install Google Chrome on this laptop. To do it, you have to open the web browser, and Microsoft Edge is installed by default on your computer. Then you can open the search engine and search for Google Chrome browser. Open the first search result on the official, which is the official google.com website /Chrome, which says Google Chrome, the fast and secure web browser, and here select download Chrome. Wait until the setup file is downloaded, then click on it, then click yes, and wait until it's downloaded and installed. And once it's installed, it will automatically open, and you'll be able to choose whether you want to sign in by clicking this icon right here, or not to sign in by clicking right here. You can set this browser as a default if you click right here. If you want to skip this step, just press skip. Then you can turn on a net privacy feature or not turn it on by pressing no thanks. Then just click got it, and now you're free to use your brand new Google Chrome web browser, excuse me. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.